What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. Guys, whoa, Junior Trader, what is this? Nvidia is back up again to $800+. It's at 820 at the making of this video. Are we still bearish? How are things looking like? What is the structure? So, guys, that is, at least to me right now, technically is completely fine. As for what I am seeing, is this is still a downtrend. Now, yes, this rebound is coming and it's quite a strong rebound. I get it and I see it. And however, my thesis is not going to change unless we close a day above 824. You can see so far we are still rejecting at that very level of the structure break that we had at 824. And these things are common. We do a retest and a rebound, right? Now, we had that same retest of the supply zone up here, the bearish engulfing candle. We had the retest up here, right? So yeah, double top we formed back then. Now, yes, there is no guarantee of anything in stock market. And if we close above 824, we'll start to talk about being bullish then. We won't fully get bullish because I still see we are below 50 days moving average and 20 days moving average. But we will need to start taking that into higher equation for our inner thesis that, okay, things are 50-50 between bulls and the bears. Right now, in my opinion, 70% we are still in the bear camp. 65 to 70% I have to say this today's rebound is a strong one. But this, at least still, I am on the downside. I'm on the downside bias. Now, that is, again, like, you don't have to agree with me, and that's fine. And for guys, the price action is what I go by, and accordingly, I have my stop losses and I take positions. So even though I took profits out, I still have some position, but I took most of the profits out down in that flush because I also want to close some at the end of the Friday. And yeah, the remaining position that I have, though it's still in profit because I have had the short positions up from here. But yes, if it goes above 824 and closes the day above strongly, I will size out more. And if it gets above 20 and 50 days, I'll fully get out of my short position. But that is how the game is played. But anyways, as for technicals right now, I still don't see this thing being in the complete bullish direction. The structure has not changed. And before going further, I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm only providing my opinion here. Nothing is guaranteed, just my opinion, nothing more than that, okay? So we have some news that China acquired banned Nvidia chips through resellers. Well, good for them. But anyways, so okay, talking about the structure. So guys, the thing is that was the 824 is the distribution phase. You can see we tested that and we are failing. At least so far, and we are below 20 and 50 days moving average. And in my yesterday video, if you have seen that, I did talk about, yes, intraday, there's a possibility of intraday play all the way back up to 824. And so if we go to the hourly interval, we got that play, right? We got that play. So I talked about if we have a clear break above 796, we will get back around testing 824, right? We got that intraday play. Now comes down to swing. It all comes down to, as if we close above 824, we will start to need to take some more bullish sentiment into account. But as I said, we are below 200 hours moving average still on hourly interval. We are also below 20 and 50 days moving average. And we technically on swing hasn't changed the structure. The structure was bearish since the time it broke 824. Well, as the break of the distribution phase, right? So this is where it's not fully back in that structure, okay? This is where we are still on the swing set in the downtrend. So yeah, the intraday play is done, guys. That was the play. So I'm up or worried? No, the plays are working out just as how I have planned. So oh well, let's go to the 5 minutes interval and yep. So here we are on 5 minutes interval. Let's see how the day trading bot did here. Oh, sorry guys. Just need to adjust something. We got a good buy play today as well. And look at it. Intraday play. My bot gave the intraday play, profitable play. and yeah, still in the money. So but anyways, just sharing my bot as well. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots. Okay, so yeah, so as I said, yeah, no, I'm not seeing any structure change on the swing side. Intraday play that I talked about, we got that play. So yeah, it all comes down to if we can close above 824, this is 4 hours interval. And then I would definitely, again, as I said, we won't fully get bullish, but we will start to talk about, hey, things are looking like little bit of bullish again. But once we get out of 20 and 50 or either one of those, that's yeah. Again, if you that will become then pullbacks on this will again be a buy, but not right now, at least where the price is. So I'm going to be keeping a closer eye on this thing because, as you know, it's something I'm interested in, and if structure changes, I want to also, accordingly adjust any positions that I have and also provide updates on that. So yep, that's what it is, guys. I would mostly follow this 20 days moving average, but also, yeah, 824 is the important level to watch. If price closes above that or below that, and then definitely we are still though below 50 days moving average, and 20 days moving average is coming down. All right. So that's Nvidia for morning update. I'll do another video later today. There's Tesla's earnings as well today, but I'll be talking about that in another video. And look at the bounce on QQ. That's fine. I talked about it that even if the bounce comes back to 432, that's fine. On the swing side, that's just a bounce. Yes, intraday, we are above 421. And yes, I talked about these things that intraday we can go to upside. SPY, same case. Intraday, we can come, not today, but eventually, even if we come to 50 days or 20 days moving average underneath, that's fine. That's just a rebound. If we get out of it, that's then a problem, or we start to form a higher low. We'll talk about that if that happens. But so far, yes, these are intraday rebounds, and that's why once the play is taken, I like to take partial profits out in the extensions, and when I see confirmation again, and then I reload. So but anyways, so that's that, guys, for today. And yeah, more I'll talk about in videos later. All right, guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.